Welcome to the show, Megha.
More than you, I am very glad that we are doing this. Looking forward for the fun conversations ahead.
So when was the first time you remember feeling that? कब लगा तुमको ऐसा कि it's not enough?
Feeling not enough for my workout, for not waking up on the time of my trainer. I think it starts from there कि it is not enough. With the motherhood journey, it is never enough. You always want more.
How did psychology help you to understand or deal with this?
My whole perception of life is with psychology.
How it began and how far you have come? What is your experiences?
Just not with psychology and then it began. There is like a whole leap in between. After being a student, I got married. I left everything. I was just a housewife managing kids, home.
What do you think? Why modern women constantly overthinking and exhausted emotionally?
I think, as per me, though I am myself a very social media person, the biggest factor is social media.
So Megha, as a dietitian, I see strong connection between emotions and physical health. What is your take on that?
100%. Physical health, physical beauty, and definitely what we are eating, reflecting our mental health, and it reflects on our beauty as well.
Megha, what do you think? Emotional stress weight put on करवाता है या hormonal imbalance देता है?
Stress एक बहुत major reason है for a lot of imbalance in our body, be it physical, psychological or emotional and mental.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Unfiltered by Dietitian Kirti Jain. आज का जो ये एपिसोड है मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है. रीज़न क्योंकि आज हम बात करने वाले हैं विमेन की एंड विमेन से रिलेटेड हर उस टॉपिक की जो मुझे लगता है अक्सर कर हम महसूस तो करते हैं लेकिन उनके बारे में बात नहीं करते. उनका इमोशनल स्ट्रगल, उनकी खुद की आइडेंटिटी के बारे में और पावर ऑफ सिस्टरहुड क्या हो सकता है इसके बारे में. एज अ डाइटिशियन मैं हमेशा एक बात बोलती हूँ, हेल्थ को ना केवल आप डाइट से रिलेट करके नहीं चल सकते हैं. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट आपका माइंड, आपका ओवरऑल इमोशनल हेल्थ, आपका ऑरा, आपकी पर्सनैलिटी और आपकी वेलबींग क्या है, आप खुद को कैसे देखते हैं. लेट्स वेलकम मेघा गुप्ता, हु हैव बीन ट्रूली इंस्पायरिंग फॉर ऑल द वुमेन इन जयपुर. अ टॉपर इन साइकोलॉजी, वर्किंग इन मीडिया, being a mother of 2 kids, and now owning a community FBS in Jaipur. Welcome to the show, Megha. I think it's been very long we are trying this and finally we made it today, and I'm so glad you are here and you have taken out the time for this.
Only for you, Kirti, and trust me, more than you, I am very glad that we are doing this.
Wow.
Looking forward for the fun conversations ahead.
For sure. So, Megha, let me ask you something very honestly. Have you ever felt that despite doing everything right, you still felt not enough as a woman?
I think these 5 years of my working journey, obviously motherhood, family, social life, at every step, I think initially almost every day, the feeling was this: it is not enough. Why we are doing it, for what we are doing it. But yes, when results kept coming, when we got the confidence, when we met friends like you, I think there is a time when we internally we felt now I think we are on the right path. Wow. And it will be enough. I think for us, for working women like us, it is never enough. But yes, we are on the path where it will be.
So when was the first time you remember feeling that? कब लगा तुमको ऐसा कि it's not enough?
Yeah, honestly, every day. Feeling not enough for my workout, for not waking up on the time of my trainer. I think it starts from there कि it is not enough. With the motherhood journey, it is never enough. You always want more. Oh. For FBS, definitely it is not enough.
Oh,
it's like sky is the limit. Yes. For bonds and friendships, I always want to do more for my friends, for my family, for my husband. So yes, it is not enough. It is there 360 degree around me. And I think that drives us to do more and better.
Very true. I think that's very true. That howsoever you put efforts in something and probably we are getting good results, but still we feel that something could be more.
100%.
नो डाउट अबाउट इट. क्या लगता है ये फीलिंग इंटरनल है और सोसाइटी ड्रिवन है? प्रेशर बिल्डअप जो हो रहा है वो खुद से हो रहा है कि आई हैव टू डू बेस्ट, और खुद की एक्सपेक्टेशंस खुद से इतनी हाई हो जाती हैं टाइम्स, यू नो, वेयर सोसाइटी की मुझे लगता है रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, बट वी कांट अवॉइड दैट कि सोसाइटी का प्रेशर भी ऑटोमेटिकली बिल्डअप हो जाता है. तो व्हाट्स योर कॉल ऑन दैट?
I would say if you would have asked me the same question before this March, I would say yes, it was society more. That we used to feel that pressure, ki no, I have to conform with the norms, I have to do because people around me are doing. But yes, that I think that 40 when it hit, so it hit internally as well. Now, since at least I think not only 40, since last year, I mean, when you are in that settled zone of life, now you're competing with yourself. Now that enough is not enough with myself only. I am actually not even, seeing around. I mean, just to tell you, I am the one who has right now maintaining 5 accounts, but not looking at any others. It is just posting and closing, posting and closing. So right now, not enough, not competing, everything is just with me. So at the night when I look at myself in the mirror, there is another goal set. So everything is now internally. No societal pressure. As of now, it was when I started. And it may be, but right now I think at that point of, that phase in life when you feel, okay, now it is for you, you are living for you. So,
that's very true. And I, as you said, that another goal is there. So I personally feel we are people who has every day another setting of goal for which, and we like it.
Yes.
We enjoy it. We working on that goal. And I think we enjoy more that achieving that goal, that journey we enjoy.
100%.
Right?
The rush.
Okay, so how did psychology help you to understand or deal with this?
Oh man. Very, very, this question is very close to my heart. So I think everything with me, the whole FBS, my whole working, my whole perception of life is with psychology. Especially during COVID, we all have gone through loads, and FBS started. So it's Fit Body and Soul, which started in COVID. And at that time, how mentally I pulled myself out. I pulled a lot of my friends out for whatever we were going through, health-wise, physically, mentally, emotionally. Staying at home, and we were known as like the butterflies of Jaipur, going around, not even having from breakfast to dinner, everything was out, and then now we had to cook. So we all were just looking at each other, ki, oh my God, what is this? Ho kya raha hai ye? So yes, at that time, that one question which my daughter asked me, कि आप इतना पढ़े हुए हो, you've done double masters, you've studied in Delhi, you have been topper of university, school, everywhere. What are you doing? You're partying. I would party like that. I will not study. That time I showed her that no, see, because I have studied, this was my psychology, and now I have this.
Amazing.
So psychology is made me what I am. Psychology helped me not only, in terms of mentally and all, but it actually has helped me professionally as well. Yes.
I'm sure. So Megha, now take us through your journey from being a student of psychology to where you have reached today. How it began and how far you have come. What is your experiences? Would like to hear that.
So honestly, my whole journey is just not with psychology and then it began. There is like a whole leap in between. After being a student, I got married. I left everything. I was just a housewife managing kids, home. And then COVID hit. Then psychology came back. Then FBS started. And I just mentioned it started with our own friends. And yes, after COVID went, we realized, okay, now what? Then we started with the networking, helping each other grow, support, pushing each other to work. Ki yaar, theek hai, itna padhe hue hain. We have good resources around. Why not work? So that ways, yes, the whole journey has been a roller coaster, because on this journey, made lot of new friends, lost many friends.
I'm sure.
Family wise also, it had been, I mean, it was something like a reality check of life also. While we were just partying, there was a complete different set. Everyone was very, very supportive. The moment you started working, things changed. It was something like, okay, this is the reality of life which we have to face also. And as we normally discuss also, the more we grow or the more success we face, we have a whole leap behind it. So which we know how we are climbing up the ladders and losing
Who
the...
are coming up with us in the
Yes.
same manner, same way, with same
Yes.
efforts, or who are leaving behind, of course. Of course.
Yes, yes. And how much you want to try to pull everything in. So it is a part now,
But
which
you
we
can't-
have accepted. Yes,
Yeah.
100%.
And I think in every journey, आप सबको खुश नहीं रख सकते.
हाँ, बट ये रियलाइज करने के लिए भी साइकोलॉजी काम आई है.
I'm sure,
नॉट
I'm
सो
sure.
इजी, बट
Not so
यस
easy.
यस, बिकॉज जब आपने वो 5-6 साल निकाले हैं ना, उसी टाइप, 5-6 साल भी नहीं, ऑलमोस्ट 10 years आई वॉज एट होम डूइंग एवरीथिंग. सो यू फील यूर इन योर ओन ड्रीम वर्ल्ड वेयर एवरीथिंग इज गुड. आपको रियलिटी चेक तब हुआ व्हेन यू आर आउट इन द इंडस्ट्री.
So मेघा, बिगेस्ट टर्निंग पॉइंट क्या था इस जर्नी का?
I would say when COVID was settled, and I mean, I'm a very short-term goal person. Normally, also, if you also ask me ki what next, so I can reply just for a month or two. I don't have
Same
like
here.
a annual or a yearly plans at all.
I can't visualize. only.
Same here.
I can't
So
visualize
every
so long.
time there was an interview, because obviously we started, there was like a women group coming up. So everyone used to ask me, how do you see yourself next 5 years? And I used to go blank. 5 years? Dude, ask me about my 5 minutes or 5 weeks. So I think that turning point where we had no goal and we were just moving as and when what came up, and then we launched our Fempreneur. So at that time we had a vision that yes, apart from health, how we can support women. And at that time, hardcore I got, because I am from Jaipur, I have a huge base in Jaipur. So a lot of my friends and a lot of my husband's friends used to ask me, why have you become so feminist out of a sudden you're like, मतलब महिला मोर्चा चला रही हो तुम. मैंने कहा it's not like that, it is just that I want to support. So that thing, I think just something in me clicked, something in me turned. And yes, I can proudly say now we have a huge Fempreneur where we have almost 150 only women entrepreneurs of Jaipur. And yes, I'm very proud about it.
Super, me too. कभी कुछ कंफ्यूज फील हुआ इन बिटवीन या लॉस्ट फील हुआ हो ड्यूरिंग दिस जर्नी?
Every day. I mean, still every day. I mean, जब भी कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट आता है, अभी 2 नए प्रोजेक्ट्स आने वाले हैं. So the moment, the moment the team sends me anything, so I feel lost about it. कि यार ये हम कर रहे हैं, ये कैसा होगा, हम एक्चुअली कर पाएंगे. So the feeling is still how the baby was born, when FBS was born. The feeling is same. Feels, but then yes, coming back every morning to it, no, let's do it.
Yeah.
So that is the feeling which is driving us.
And I feel moreover losing the confidence या feeling lost, एक excitement रहता है. Isn't it? कुछ भी नया करने का, like if I am coming up with some new service or some new new venture or anything, I feel more excited. मतलब मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि वाओ अब इस पे काम करना है, whether it's community, whether whatever it is.
आई थिंक वो मॉर्निंग में लगता है कि वाओ इस पे काम करते हैं, रात तक आते आते बस यही लगता है कि ओके, आर वी राइट, आर वी डूइंग राइट.
That is always वो रहता है थोड़ा सा until we execute.
बट आई थिंक वो रहने से ही हम और पुश करते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग योर ब्रेन स्टार्ट्स वर्किंग मोर.
Exactly.
और फिर वो होलिस्टिकली
एंड उसका एक
लेवल अप हो जाता है.
लेवल अप हो जाता है, डेफिनेटली.
That's how we've seen nutrition as Zaruri. So we started together. We have seen our journey together.
Yeah, very true, very true. I think I'm like now NSZ is 5 years old.
Yes.
Running 6.
Yes. And I've seen NHZ as a baby and now growing as an adult.
Thank you. What do you think? Why modern women constantly overthinking and exhausted emotionally?
I think, I mean, as per me, though I am myself a very social media person, the biggest factor is social media. Because when we scroll, we tend to see what the other person is showing. I mean, this is something which I tell everyone also. You are just seeing what I am showing. Similarly, we are just seeing what they are showing. So one part is that mentally affects us. Oh, she was partying. I am working. Why can't I party? So such questions in us makes us little mentally exhausted also. Sometimes we are not satisfied with ourselves. We are never satisfied rather with ourselves because we keep seeing others. So maybe I suggest to all my friends also, whenever you are seeing social media or you're meeting anyone, you're just going for a coffee date with your friends, just think that there is what you are listening to or what you are seeing, there is lot more to it. You are just seeing the surface level. There is
Grass is
the
not
whole
always green other
exactly
side.
exactly, and plus there is a bigger root inside. You are just seeing the flower and the surface.
Absolutely.
So once you realize that you are not the only one, will make you mentally more peaceful.
Correct.
So this exhaustion and all is because we keep on comparing ourselves with the people around. We constantly want to do because someone is doing. We don't want to do because I want to do. So that these 2-3 reasons, comparison, seeing someone else's success, you feel like demotivated. So I feel when someone is succeeding and you learn from it, you get inspired from it, then you will be more
Your
alone.
aura changes.
Yes.
You get, I think the path will be easy rather than comparing yourself and
demotivating.
demotivated. If you plan or try to learn from that particular person or scenario situation, I think things would be easy and people will support you more.
Actually.
Right? कहाँ
And
से
I
आता
think
होगा ये?
prioritizing also, Kirti, because we as women have so much on our plate, so much. At the same time, we have to manage family, kids, friends, social life, work, finances, shoots, everything.
वो जो माता रानी का जो दिखाते हैं ना
हाँ,
picture
वो actually women में.
Exactly.
So what I have learned in this last 1.5 years of my life, I've started prioritizing. कि this needs my more time, this is my phase, then no matter what people are talking about me, it is me, fighting with me, but I need to prioritize.
You know, whenever I go in any sort of health talk, especially जहाँ women's crowd है, मैं हमेशा ये चीज़ बोलती हूँ because this I learned years ago and learned by my own, though मुझे तब भी कोई restrict नहीं कर रहा था, but that's our own problem actually. It's not family problem.
100%.
I always tell all the women, be selfish. Being selfish is not a crime. क्योंकि आप नहीं होगे ना, nobody is going to care about, because nobody is even asking you to do a lot. आपको कोई तमगा नहीं मिलने वाला है बहुत ज्यादा सबके लिए करने का. ठीक है, आपकी upbringing ऐसी है, might be the case, but if you are thinking about yourself first, I think you will be able to do best and more for your
the
rest of the
family
family and
yes.
friends. So ये हमेशा मैं बोलती हूँ, this is my favorite line I would say.
मैं इसमें ऐसा ही बोलती हूँ, जब आप 5 बादाम अपनी फैमिली के लिए भिगो रहे हो, प्लीज 5 अपने लिए भी भिगो लो.
Exactly, बिल्कुल.
सिर्फ इतना सा कर लो.
एंड वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक दिन फैमिली का कोई मेंबर बीमार होगा ना, आप पूरा दिन काम छोड़ के लगते
care.
आप बीमार होते हो, एक दिन हस्बैंड घर पे रह जाएगा, डेली नहीं रहेगा. You have to take care of yourself. So see the difference. तो
That's what you're teaching our kids now.
Of course, 101%. मुझे तो लगता है kids खुद already इस मामले में बड़े smart हैं, and they are teaching others. मेरे को लगता है मेरी daughter तो she is like, मम्मा हो गया है, मैं बता दूंगी. She's like that.
Okay.
Yeah, I think girl child, you know.
Maybe, हाँ.
So they're very
stronger one.
Yeah, very true. So, Megha, what do you think? ये guilt कहाँ से आता है females में? जैसे हम बात भी कर रहे हैं. From where they get that guilt?
I think especially Indian women, we are made like this. We want to prioritize, जैसे मैंने बोला, we want to prioritize family, अदर्स फर्स्ट, फिर हमें लगता है मतलब वही बादाम में पहले सबके लिए भिगो लूँ, फिर बच जाएगी तो चलो 2 ही मेरे लिए करती हूँ. सो दिस प्रायोरिटाइजिंग दिस कि नहीं यार मुझे मेरी फैमिली के लिए करना है, मुझे मेरे पेरेंट्स के लिए करना है, हस्बैंड के लिए करना है, किड्स के लिए करना है, फिर मुझे मेरे लिए करना है ना, वो गिल्ट ले आता है. द मोमेंट वील बी सेल्फिश, जस्ट हाउ यू सेड कि द मोमेंट हम अपने आप को एट पार रखने लग जाए ना इन लोगों के, हमें वो गिल्ट कम हो जाएगा. बट बिकॉज हम वो टाइम लाइन में भी इफ आई हैव लाइक 24 आवर्स और उसमें मैं 2 घंटा भी मेरे लिए निकालूंगी ना, तो मुझे में वो गिल्ट आ जाएगा कि नहीं यार these 2 hours I would have spent with them, but those 2 hours are much needed for my physical, emotional and mental health. ये अभी समझाना अपनी स्पेशली जनरेशन को तो बहुत मुश्किल है. बट आई थिंक विद टाइम्स इवॉल्विंग यस इट विल कम अप.
आई एम श्योर. और ये गिल्ट आपको क्या लगता है सोसाइटी ड्रिवन है ये गिल्ट, या हमारा खुद का बनाया हुआ है?
ऑफ कोर्स सोसाइटी ड्रिवन है. गिल्ट आई डोंट थिंक खुद का बनाया हुआ है. ये बिकॉज हमने वैसे ही देखा है, वी हैव सीन आवर मदर्स लाइक दैट. सो हाँ, सो मे बी बिकॉज नाउ सो व्हाट आई टेल एटलीस्ट आवर फ्रेंड्स दैट इफ वी विल ऑल्सो डू देन आवर किड्स विल ऑल्सो सी अस. सो देन दिस इज लाइक अ विशियस सर्कल. सो लेट्स पुट एन एंड टू दिस विशियस सर्कल. एटलीस्ट लेट्स ट्राई कि हम थोड़ा सा उस गिल्ट में कम आए, सो दैट आवर स्पेशली आवर डॉटर्स सी अस कि नहीं यार ये इक्वली important है. mama's health is equally important, mama's going out is equally important, mama papa spending time is equally important. So everything needs to be equally. When the male of the house is traveling for work, it is much acceptable. The moment women of the house travels, oh my god, who will manage school, who will manage kids? No, this needs to normalize, and if this will normalize now, the guilt will go less.
So Megha, what is Jaipur FBS really about, as in community or more than a community?
Honestly, it never started as a community, and if you ask me till now, only that WhatsApp has made that community label, given that community label to it. For us, it's our heart and soul, as I say, fit body and soul. So it started as a help group just for friends. It evolved, it wanted, I mean, I just did not, still I do not want to make it as a group wherein you just put questions and you get the answer. I want that real connection, I want that real support, I want the real people to speak out real. So this is the reason we with time we evolve with rules, with time we evolve with separate different segments also, and this is why we make sure, at least since almost 4 years now, once a month we are trying to do one health activity, one trust, because I know that we women, especially us, because we are not able to, we just think that yes, I want to do something, I want to do something for the people who are not able to, they're not very blessed with, बट यू डोंट गेट दैट प्लेटफॉर्म. सो द मोमेंट यू नो कि ठीक है यार समर्स आ रही है, हमें प्याऊ कोई लगाने वाला है, हमें बस थोड़ा सा कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन करना है. सो दैट इज़ वेयर आवर हार्ट इज़ हियर इन हेल्थ, एंड वन वेयर इन you also want to, we all want to have fun at the end. ठीक है यार, काम भी कर रहे हैं, फैमिली भी संभाल रहे हैं, हेल्थ वाइज भी हम अपना ध्यान रख रहे हैं. सो नाउ सम टाइम फॉर आवरसेल्व्स, सो दैट इज फन.
थोड़ा तो होना भी चाहिए.
थोड़ा होना चाहिए. सो अगेन आई थिंक कम्युनिटी वर्ड मेक्स इट अ लिटिल मोर फॉर्मल, मेक्स इट अ लिटिल मोर that okay, people are there, but no, it is a very very strong built support system, I would say, which is really made with our all hearts and souls.
I know that because I think I'm being a part of this group since beginning.
Since beginning, yes.
So I have seen the way it has come up, and the best part about you or the group, what I have seen, because I'm member of almost every group, you also know, where, and I don't think so I'm present anywhere except FBS. Reason, the vision you have for the group and the kind of efforts you put for the friends or the members, I have not seen anywhere. It's either commercialized.
Okay.
ठीक है, commercialized सब जगह होता है, because to run a group you need funds, no doubt about it. But it's not that कि the only point of view to running a group or a community is just earning money. तो वो source of
we don't earn money from our group.
I'm sure. जितनी एक्टिविटीज होती है के हिसाब से आई एम श्योर
मतलब health activities and all तो we yes, but you know Kirti, on this note we are blessed with the best team also. So by time, I don't know how universe got us all together. It keeps on changing with time because कभी किसी का क्या मतलब there are always family commitments, your own personal commitments. So we ask them to take a break, then you can join back. It is open for all. But I think that teamwork, wherein just as you said कि हम commercially नहीं work कर रहे हैं. So because I think there are bonds and there is life beyond पैसा. I mean, yes. So
that's a part of it यार. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि वो अपनी जगह ठीक है, वो required होता है times, or else you can't keep those standards. You know, फिर आप कहीं compromise करते हो तो मुझे लगता है, and people who are associated with us, I feel like they don't even mind that like-minded people should be there. But the best part about FBS is the focus and the people around, because it's not like another kitty. This is what I like about FBS, and I'm still, you know, I
Touch
think
wood.
कहीं भी नहीं हूँ, I'm there, you know, because you're spending good time there. So you have to see with whom
I
you're
know.
sitting, with whom you're spending time. वो बहुत important है. Idea कैसे
and
आया?
how with time we also grow na, so we want that worth of ourself.
Exactly.
Sometimes
Absolutely.
so with FBS how we keep evolving also, and how constantly we keep thinking that if you are spending your money, you are spending your 2 hours with us, those 2 hours should be worth at least, you know, 4 hours or 5 hours. That worth of every minute should be there. So for that we make sure that you meet new people every time. At least we make sure that you meet 50% of new people. Secondly, we make sure that they are like-minded in terms of socially also. So you can't connect, I mean, even if you'll meet 100 people, but you can't connect when, you know, someone is at there and someone is here. So this is one reason we are trying to maintain that levels. That yes, if Kirti is meeting someone, so it has to be Kirti's level.
True.
So that worth of Kirti should be there.
Absolutely. आइडिया कैसे आया FBS स्टार्ट करने का?
कोविड हेल्थ ग्रुप एंड वही कि हम वीडियो कॉल्स कर रहे थे, हम ऑलमोस्ट 10 फ्रेंड्स जैसे हम करते थे कि ओ माई गॉड व्हाट आर यू मेकिंग फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, व्हाट आर यू मेकिंग फॉर दिस. एंड बिकॉज आई एम अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट तो आई यूज टू लिटिल काउंसिल ऑल्सो कि ठीक है ना यार, चिल मार एंड ऐसे कर. देन वन फाइन डे आई वॉज लाइक यार वाई एम आई डूइंग दिस वन ऑन वन, लेट मी जस्ट मेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स एंड माई नोन पीपल. सो एट दैट टाइम I added my husband, my brother also to it, and they were like कि तुम इतना serious क्यों हो रही हो? मैंने कहा यार I want to give it a name. I want to, you know, how I was just joking with them that I want to launch it, and they all were also like, you know, कि हाँ हाँ करने दो इसको, मस्ती मार रही है, रोज हम groups बना के games खेल ही रहे थे. So at that time this fit body and soul, because I was guiding everyone to work out also. I was also reducing at that time. I had gained 40 kgs twice. With my pregnancies, I have gained 40 kgs. And how with that workout and diet, and obviously people who've seen my transition, and I almost lost 40 in a year.
Amazing.
So yeah, that was that pregnancy weight.
Postpartum.
So yeah, postpartum, and how I was reducing and how everything was showing. So I started making videos. It used to be fun. I left kitchen, I left everything, and I was just focusing on this. Then it became a passion. Then it became a baby. I think after, when everyone, you know, so friends of friends, like Kirti's friends started messaging me. I also want to be a part of it. You were playing Ludo in that. You were playing, you know, Housey in that. So with that playing, actually, you are sharing also. So every morning, Kirti, till almost 4 years, I used to wake up and I used to write routines. That you wake up. I think you were also a part, and we used to write. Then I asked you also that, Kirti, why don't you share your diet patterns with people? So this is how, you know, we were just wanted to support and inspire each other. That if I, with all the drama at my house, can take out 40 minutes for my workout no matter what. So I used to just push. You walk, you work out, you do yoga. You can watch Shilpa Shetty and do yoga. At that time, Shilpa Shetty and Bipasha Basu's videos were very viral.
मैं विपाशा बसु के ही सारे
वीडियोस देखकर, हाँ, तो वो सब तो मैं उनको लिंक शेयर करती थी. See, you copy this and you do this. So this is how I think that routine, and फिर हम self care कर रहे थे. कोई क्या उपटन बना रहा था, कोई क्या बना रहा था. Then we started sharing recipes, and then hence it's history now.
Let's be honest, Megha. Do women really support another woman?
Yeah, on a very general note, as I have, I think, answered also this question a bit earlier, that I think when people are, true friends and true family, and I mean your own bloodline, you keep that aside. Apart from it, even your friends whom you used to think as friends, or even the groups. So when women is rising, it is difficult. That whole phase, that whole time period, that whole journey, I think at least what I have experienced, it's not that easy. But yes, as I just said, I've met an amazing team also. I've met you also. I've met so many of very, very, very good friends during this journey. So while the difference what I felt, that women who were with me, who have seen me rising, they, I think, feels, or maybe we feel a little lost. But women who were with me during this journey, women who have grown with me with this journey, we feel more bond. I think even be whatever, I mean, we must be speaking once a month, or we are meeting once a month. But that connection is something like we always pick from where we left. We never feel that disconnect or discomfort. So I felt that support system and all is with the women who are already somewhere. Then they are very ready to support. But with the women who want to do, getting their support is not that easy.
क्या लगता है कहाँ से ये jealousy शुरू होती है और comparison? What do you think?
Yeah, jealousy में नहीं word use करूँगी, because we don't know the state of mind, not been on the other side as yet. But comparison definitely, because at least for me, I was a very homely girl, as I said. बहुत अच्छा लगता था मुझे, my friends, my own family, my own that knitted. बात करना शुरू से बहुत पसंद है, so सबसे बहुत बात करती थी. From my mommy, मतलब one of my very, very close bonds is with my own mommy and my mama. So, and my friend will turn 50 15 days later. So this is how, and one of my very close friends has just got married. So I am a very versatile kind of person. So मुझे बस वो लगता है जो comparison जहाँ आता है ना, कि यार जो बंदी का कोई बेस नहीं था, या जिस बंदी के लिए कभी हम नहीं सोच सकते थे, फिर when you see there, then you also want to, मतलब it is something like, okay, why can't I?
Why can't I?
So that why can't I can lead to multiple emotions. And those multiple emotions, if you can take it positively, they would work for it. If you would take it negatively, they would leave you.
True. So, Megha, what needs to change in this?
Yeah, firstly, I think judging. We judge people on the basis of maybe just one act also, or maybe just what you have heard. I think we should give the person a little time. Every person is different. Your perception is different. You must have heard something else. So this judging people is something which I personally feel, and I have experienced also, it needs to really change. Secondly, I feel that this lobbying, I don't know if it's there everywhere, but yes, in Jaipur I have experienced that there people have started making lobbying against people. It is not for people, it is against. ठीक है, for में कर रहे हो, positive कर रहे हो, अपना lobby बना रहे हो, it's fine. But you're making it against someone, which really needs to change. It's like a universe. I mean, there was just a question today only. Someone asked me, how many are there in my category? Because we've just opened Fempreneur. So I was like, honestly, if I tell you, it's a universe. Everyone gets their space, everyone has their own identity, and everyone can get work. If we start understanding this, no, ki Megha is unique and Megha will be Megha. It does not. And if Megha and Kirti will work together or support each other, we might multifold it or make it tenfolds. This feeling, this support system, I feel we really need it. Not only in women, in every segment with men, with women, with kids, everywhere. in school, in college, in work, at home, with our own family also, if they stop judging us based on what we are wearing, how we are talking, अरे यार दिल अच्छा है ना, हम क्या पहन रहे हैं वो हमारी इच्छा है.
Absolutely.
So this, I think that judging, this lobbying, plus little giving time and space to each other for understanding. कि ठीक है यार, आज अगर इसने कुछ किया है बट इसने 10th काम अच्छे भी तो किए थे, अगर इसने कुछ मेरे अगेंस्ट किया तो देयर माइट बी सम रीजन बिहाइंड इट.
Absolutely.
सो दैट स्कोप ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, दैट स्कोप कि नहीं, कीर्ति ने अगर कुछ किया है तो कुछ सोच के ही किया होगा, बिकॉज आई एम विथ कीर्ति सिंस लॉन्ग, वो हम सब भूल जाते हैं. वो एक
मौके की तलाश में रहते हैं,
या एक एक्ट विच इज अगेंस्ट, गलती भी उसकी तरफ से नहीं थी, कीर्ति या मेघा की तरफ से नहीं थी, बट वो सामने वाले के परसेप्शन से मैच नहीं हुआ. सो दैट अनमैच थिंग, people don't give you a second chance.
Very true. So Megha, as a dietitian, I see strong connection between emotions and physical health. What is your take on that?
100%. Physical health, physical beauty, and definitely what we are eating is reflecting our mental health, and it reflects on our beauty as well. And I personally feel, apart from mindful eating, how we are eating also matters. If that little prayer, so how I make my kids eat, I say that, okay, I'm sprinkling a little magic on your food. Now, because my daughter is a little short, see, you will eat it, you will become tall. So those manifestations with what she is eating, how she is eating, it matters holistically. Your mental health, your physical health, we feel, if we eat good, we don't feel bloated, so we have more confidence. So everything, I think, is connected. So, and here comes you. So when we take good diets from nutrition hai zaruri, we, I think, are helped. And we were just talking to one of your client friends only, how he has lost, how you have guided the journey of many, because as I have seen your journey as well, it's been an inspiration. And honestly, I don't say it only, I think I've said it multiple times, Advaya was going through some physical health problems, and I did not professionally take a diet, but I just called you saying ki, Kirti, I'm very, very worried, this is the scene, because doctors have been prescribing me so many things. You were like, Megha, just follow this for her. Until date, it's been almost 1.5 years, touch wood. All Kirti.
Thank you so much. But yeah, that's very true. What you eat is one part. How you eat, equally important, because if you're not connected with your food, तो वो खाना मुझे ऐसा लगता है तन को लगता नहीं है. And wherever most of the people, most of the time connected with their, love, gadget. So they're scrolling and they're eating and they don't know कि क्या खा रहे हैं, कितना खाया है. There is so called that portion control भी, जो कि मैं नहीं believe करती system में. मुझे लगता है it has to be mindful eating, but if you are not even focusing on that, at least get connect with that. मतलब
Food.
You are blessed. You are getting it on,
actually, and what you want, you are getting.
You are getting every day 3, 4, 5, how many times you want. तो वो एक connection मुझे लगता है बिल्कुल होना चाहिए, which is missing. Megha, what do you think? Emotional stress weight put on करवाता है या hormonal imbalance देता है? क्या लगता है तुमको?
100%. I think stress एक बहुत major reason है for a lot of imbalance in our body, be it physical, psychological or emotional and mental. And stress हमारा I think सिर्फ हम में ही नहीं, stress आज एक छोटे से बच्चे में भी, say till I mean our mothers also.
Any age group.
That so that stress can just, I mean, distress everything.
Actually, stress can ruin your life from every angle. So, I mean, I can speak on this for hours, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपकी जो भी प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट हो रही है ना बॉडी के अंदर, वो कहीं ना कहीं स्ट्रेस से अराइव्ड है. क्योंकि स्ट्रेस होगा तो नींद पूरी नहीं होगी, नींद पूरी नहीं होगी तो गट खराब होगी, और द मोमेंट योर गट spoils or get impacted by your stress, your health will be on toast. So definitely it is actually.
I think stress से है ना, मतलब your aging also happens very quickly.
Yeah, 100%.
So that one stress, aggression, frustration, aging, your health issues, your gut problems, obesity, you tend to eat more. I think stress is the main cause.
सेल्फ केयर मिसअंडरस्टूड क्यों है फीमेल्स के लिए?
Here there is a difference, whereas there is a very thin line between self-care and selfish. I mean,
being
selfish, maybe you can say. Self-care is something which I'm doing for myself. This is not being selfish. So I think जब एक फीमेल या एक विमेन अपने लिए 1 घंटा निकाल के सैलून जाती है, थोड़ा सा चाहे उसको वर्क हो, family or this and that ho, and at that time people will be like, oh my god, you can take out time for yourself and you could not do that. So that one line वो थोड़ा सा overrated हो जाता है. Why? My body needs spa, my body needs, I want my nails to do better, I want hair wash at salon. This is for me, this is self care. सो वो जो एक थिन लाइन है ना, जो हमें लोगों को समझानी पड़ती है कि गोइंग टू सैलून और टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माई सेल्फ इज इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट और इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ माई रूटीन. हाउ आई एम वेकिंग अप, हाउ आई एम सेंडिंग किड्स टू स्कूल, हाउ आई एम कुकिंग, हाउ आई एम वर्किंग. सेल्फ केयर इज ऑल्सो अ रूटीन विच शुड बी टेकन इन आवर डेली रूटीन.
एंड वॉट डज ट्रू सेल्फ केयर फॉर यू?
Whatever makes me happy and peaceful. I mean, if just getting my nails are making me happy. I mean, I'm not a very taking care of myself person. So just sometimes I want to go to salon to spend time with my friend. So I would call her and I would sit with her and just take a spa or pedicure, manicure. I take my mama for facials. Ki mama, chalo you and me go. So for me, self-care is more about my internal happiness. For me, the glow and the beauty comes a little later on. But yes, that is my me time. Yes, that's my me time.
Perfect. Nice, Megha. So, a quick rapid fire round for you now.
Excited and intrigued.
One word for modern women today.
Versatile.
Self-love means?
Self-care.
One habit every woman should start.
Taking care of herself.
What does that mean?
Putting yourself first.
One thing women should stop doing immediately.
Scrolling social media and then following it religiously.
Sisterhood in one line.
Unconditional support for each other. Don't question.
One message which you would like to give all my audience.
I think follow your passion. Be happy for yourself rather than being unhappy for any other. So, and start feeling of satisfaction in whatever you are doing. Prioritizing. I mean, I'm giving a little extended, but yes, a little gist of what I feel and how we have grown. So prioritize yourself, prioritize your bonds, and yes, just take care of yourself and support women as much as you can.
Superb. Lovely talking to you, Megha, for such wonderful and positive, powerful conversation today. I love you for that.
I mean, Kirti, I can't even express coming up here, doing this, and we are sitting like this, heart out.
Yeah.
This means a lot. And your support, your unconditional trust in FBS has got us here.
Oh.
And so grateful, and more power to you. Keep rising, keep shining, and Nutrition Hai Zaroori rocks.
Thank you so much. So, Megha, just a small token of love. Thank you
God,
so much.
This is a surprise. This I am having daily. And I love it. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you so much. We will see you in the next episode of Unfiltered by Dietitian Kirti Jain. Until then, do take care of your health because nutrition hai zaroori.